Welcome to Almay. We're here to share tech knowledge with you. Let's get our journey started. The PS5 came with only 825GB SSD, in which only 667.2GB was free space. Sometimes, only one game may take up nearly 200GB, which means users can't store many titles on the console. Some users try to insert a large SSD into the storage expansion slot, but it couldn't be recognized by the console. Don't worry, after watching this video you will find a way out. Part 1. PS5 Storage Expansion. Part 2. How to move all games to a new SSD. You will learn two ways here. Number 1. Plug a new SSD into the slot. To handle those large-sized games, many users choose to open the case and plug a bigger SSD into the console. To do that, the external drive must have a PCIe 4.0 interface with at least 5.5 GB per second transfer speed, which will take full advantage of the PS5's hardware speed. Here, you can see how to perform PS5 storage expansion by adding an SSD to the SSD slot from the official video tutorial. Number 2. Connect it with the external HDD. As mentioned above, you can plug an SSD into a PS5 for storage extension. However, some people may think it too complex to open the case and be worried about that it may cause damages. Moreover, some people find the SSD is too expensive compared with the HDD. Thus, there's another option for the PS5 storage upgrade. Step 1. Automatically install the PS4 games to the external HDD. If you don't want to store the old PS4 games on your PS5 anymore, then you can try changing the default install location into the new HDD. Before starting, you have to format the hard drive for use on PS5. Go to Settings, Storage, External Storage, Format as Extended Storage. After completed, enable the Always Install PS4 Games to Extended option. Step 2. Move existing PS4 games to the external HDD. If you already have some PS4 games installed on the PS5 console, then select Items you can move. Take the games you want to transfer to the external HDD and hit the Move button. Let's move all games to a new SSD. To make the game transfer between two hard drives, I recommend Almay Partition Assistant Standard, a powerful and multifunctional disk manager. With this software, you can clone all data, including games and apps, from one hard drive to another within only several steps. Moreover, this freeware supports wiping hard drive as well if you want to sell your PS4 or PS5, but want to make sure there won't be privacy information leakage. Just Google Almay Partition Assistant Standard to have a try. Connect both the SSD and the PS4's internal hard drive to a computer. Launch Almay Partition Assistant Standard and make sure both drives are recognized. Click on All Tools and select Disk Clone Wizard. Select a clone method. The former one is recommended. In the following window, select the PS4 hard drive as the source disk and hit Next. Select the new SSD as the destination disk and tick Optimize the performance of SSD. Select Clone without resizing partitions and hit Next to go back to the main interface. Hit Apply on the upper left and then hit Proceed to start the clone. In a few seconds, all data on the old PS4 HDD will be transferred to the new SSD. Hope this video can do you a favor. Want to know more about Almay? Looking for more tech knowledge? Just subscribe us and leave comments. We're here to help you with your any issues.